practice of dance and music is a form of realization of the divine rhythm and a way to attain Brahmananda or salvation and to become one with God. Ancients in India realized that He is the universe in microcosm. The rhythm of music and dance has evolved from the observation of clanking of stones, pounding of woods, dashing of stone spearheads against wood shields, the foot stamping of animals. Gradually, from hearing of various sounds to rhythmic movements of animals gave the thought of dancing. Dance today is not only divine, but it also made inroads into social, cultural, political, and spiritual spheres of life. Today, it can be well said that there is a dance for every occasion. To say so, dance has become an integral and indispensable part of every human life. The dances that are practiced today took a very long period to settle down in the present form.
I saw this movie Shankarabharanam and then I kind of liked dancing and that's why I joined dancing. And as I grow, it's become more than a hobby, it's part of my life.
Indian classical dance forms represent the meeting points of three arts, that is, music, drama, and dance. All of them, without exception, is the embodiment of a whole range of expression, including fantasy and yogic discipline. Today, even though dance and music is highly codified, primarily it was and is a form of worship. South Indian classical and semi-classical dance forms display a much deeper connection with our ancient era and also kept afloat our heritage. Today, the most popular dance forms of classical style are Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, Bhagavata Mela, and Perini. All the dance forms are very distinctive and there are three things in common, that is, Nrita, Nritya, Natya. Nrita comes under rhythmic elements. It tells about the body movement in dance and does not express any emotion. Nritya tells both the rhythm with expression. Nritya is usually expressed through eyes, hands, and facial movements. That is to say that Nritya comprises Abhinay, depicting rasa and bhava, which are the systematic gesture languages occupying an important place in dance. The artists in earlier days in Indian theatres had to be well versed in dance form for displaying gestures effectively. Natya explains by itself that it is a dramatization of emotion. The combination of pure dance Nrita and interpretative dance Nritya in varying degrees leads to the creation of real